Do you guys remember in The Greatest Showman that there was that can and the light, and then they spun it and the light shined on all the walls?
Yeah.
You remember that? We're gonna make that. Do you want to make that?
Yeah.
Okay, well, what we're gonna do is we're gonna poke holes in this, right? And we're gonna put the flashlight in here, and just like it's doing right now, see the lights coming through? Except the light will be coming through on all the little holes, and then we're gonna make it so that it can spin. And when it spins, all the lights will go all over it. I'm gonna cut to me building all this stuff, and then we'll get right back to it.
Nailed it. Nailed it.
First thing I had to do is trace and cut out the circle. Next I just sand down the circle and then put a little chamfer on the sides so that it'll slip into the can easier. I find the center point and drill a hole so I can fit it onto the disco ball spinner. Next I was thinking about how the kids were going to make the holes, so I decided to make up a little jig so that the can could fit inside of it and they could use a nail to hammer in all the holes. Well, this is awkward. I thought that I measured correctly. I'm going to take it apart and sand it down for some extra room. Much better. Yeah!
Yeah, there you got it.
Nice. Okay, let's try this. This might be a little better. Hold on. This is easier. Go. Alright, the only thing left is I think we need some on the top, so maybe we'll get some lights on the ceiling. So ready? Help me out with this side, this part. What we have to do is Daddy built this, so this goes in the bottom, right? But first, we need the light, right? Here's the light. I had tape somewhere. Did you see like a yellow circle?
Oh, is that tape?
Okay, go ahead and push that down. See? You asked me downstairs how it spins, and this is how it spins. Instead of the way he did it, which was like put it on a stick and then spin it like that, that'll only go for so long, right? So what I did was I got this. This spins a disco ball. You know how disco balls spin? And the lights change? You don't know. Okay. This will make this spin slowly. Watch. Oh, where's... Now hit the on button. Look.
There you go.
See it spinning?
Could be a vision of the one I see. A million dreams is all it's gonna take. A million dreams for the world we're gonna make. For the